Have you been here before? In this town?
My mother-in-law used to live in Oxford.
Did she really?
Oxford.
Huh. Doesn't change much, does it?
I haven't been in the town. A little bit.